Okay, they're calling for snow here in western Pennsylvania this Thursday. In the Appalachian Mountains, West Virginia, they actually use the term plowable snow. So it's time. My helpers are here. Here, baby. You gonna help me? Huh? You gonna help me? What about your twins? They gonna help? Huh? Whoops, sorry. Here, come and get it. Come and get it, or the raccoons will get it. Here, baby. You got some long eyelashes there, pal. Mom. Take your time. Here, I'll just throw them down there. Okay? Okay, you too, huh? Alright, now I gotta get ready for winter. I washed and waxed the truck, and I'm going to do some touch-up of the fluid film. Haven't driven it since I washed and waxed it, so I just want to hit a few spots. I dug out my fluid film, and I think I got this upside down. Okay. Here's my fluid film gallon that I bought in 2017. And the bottles that came with the spray gun are called wool wax. Now I've heard people mention wool wax. Got 2 bottles with it. The whole kit was this gun, which is pretty simple. And the gallon and these 2 bottles. Alright, so this stuff is a little thick today. I wonder if it's going to spray. It is not. Oh yeah, let's see. I better set this near, let's see. Yeah, it's coming out. I'm just going to touch up a few areas that I have not done. Since 2017, it's right now 2024. I know I'm spraying over the dirt. It seems to be, now it's coming out. Oh yeah. Okay. So when it snows this Thursday, they will of course salt the shit out of the road. So I have to get this stuff on before the salt gets on there. Now, you got to spray under these treads, because that is the first place my last pickup truck, my GMC Canyon, started to rust. Was the chrome was bubbling. So I will do that with my spray can and not this spray gun. All right, let's get some on the bumper, and I will end on the exhaust tips and the leading edge. and I'll smear that out later. I want to get the gun with the snorkel on the can and spray some more behind these flares that I bought on eBay and installed. I'm not going to spray the wheels because I don't want to get it on the brake discs. Now I want to spray this whole rocker panel, and I'm just going to leave it on there all winter. And the bottom of the door. Done. I'll wash that off next April. I also want to spray the leading edge of these flares. Can't even see it. Okay. Now this stuff will travel and smooth itself out if I don't smear it out, which is fine with me. Doesn't hurt anything. I also want to do some touch up under the hood. Whoa. Anywhere salt water is going to lay. I hand coated these the past couple years with fluid film, just like I did the sills of my doors. Did I get that other one? The backs of these vehicles seem to get the most salt accumulation. I forgot to get the wax off there. I don't know what happened there. My wife doesn't know. I think she did it. Trying to get the grass over there where I park. Now you got to watch getting in and out of the vehicle after you spray, that your pant leg doesn't touch that. Starting to thin out here. I did the front bumper. What the heck is that noise? That's one thing about living here, or any place like this with a lot of trees. You always hear leaf blowers and lawn mowers. But that ain't no leaf blower or a chipper. I sprayed in all those holes. Now I'm going to climb under and touch up a few spots. Let's take a look in the back. I need my cardboard. Oh, my garage is a catastrophe. My son brought 4 quad tires over yesterday for us to put new tires on the wheels. He just brought the wheels. We couldn't get any of the tires broken down off of the rim. We tried even running over them with a car. Could not get them to break. Okay. Let's take a look. Need a flashing light. This is a fantastic flashlight, but you got to have strong batteries in it. $6 at Rural King. See? There's half light. Let's take a peek. Oops, I don't want to lean on that. I'm noticing that the center of that stabilizer, or whatever the heck it is, doesn't have any paint on it. Now I know I coated that on day one, but I'm thinking that that is flexing right there, and that's what made the paint come off and made it rust. It's the only way I can think of why is that center rusty. Let's hit it. Yeah, I'm running out of juice. Let's take a look. This is November of 24. So what is it, 8 years since I did this rust-proof job, which I spent 5 days doing, coating everything, taking the wheels off, taking the fender liners out so I could get behind the fender liners. And it's still looking pretty good, but I'm having a problem with this flow here. Let's see. Yeah, it's still coming out a little bit. See what needs touched up. Very fine mist coming out. But it will travel. Every time I look, there are spots that I missed behind screws, stuff like that. But the beautiful thing about this fluid film is it will travel. Have gun will travel. When it gets hot, it travels. When it gets warm out. Not coming on too well. I better warm this up. Anyway, you get the idea. Come on. You get the idea. I didn't miss many spots. That looks rusty, but that's rubber. A rubber bumper.